Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a GIF in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's have a look now. Start by opening the video clip you would like to convert into a GIF into your Adobe Premiere Pro. Now set the in and out points to determine the part of the video you want in your GIF. Then go to File, Export, now Media, and from here choose Animated GIFs as the format. Now click on Export to save the GIF in your desired location. So it's that easy. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by xirosoft. xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.